Greencoot, your source for farm fresh food. From nature to your home. At Greencoot, we're committed to nourishing the soil, the heart of organic farming. Seeds being gently dropped into the soil. Organic farming relies on natural methods to nurture crops. Organic manure contains a blend of compost, animal waste, and plant residue. Our organic approach at Greencoot Farms ensures that our produce is free from harmful chemicals and pesticides. Patience and care are rewarded with thriving crops. You can find all these fresh, organic products at greencoot.com, delivered straight from our farm to your doorstep. Check out our online store today.